Hi friends, if you've been waiting for some markdowns or discounts at Costco, don't miss this video because I found some amazing clearance deals with up to 75% off the original price. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. So let's start off today's video with this beautiful Tommy Bahama Highboy beach chair that sits higher off the ground, so it makes it easier to get in and out of. I found it going for $29.97, this Costco Burbank, by the way. And keep in mind, this is pretty much like half off the original price since it normally goes for $59.99. So again, it went from $60 down to pretty much $30. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Is this worth purchasing now? Or do you think the price will drop even further? This indoor-outdoor poof definitely works with almost any decor. I found it going for $15, guys. It's the lowest price I've seen on this product. This is Costco Monterey Park. At one point, it was going for $45, so I do think this is a major price drop. This one measures 21 by 21 inches, and you can use it as a footrest, an accent piece, or extra seating when guests come over. Now this is pretty cool. Costco has the Arctica Bowen solar address sign on sale, guys, until end of the month. So it has $10 off until August 31st. This one went from $35 down to $24.99 for a limited time. It does come with the numbers and letters to customize your address. You have 5 adjustable light colors. It's weatherproof, very easy to install, and can also be recharged with the included USB-C cable. For this price, I feel like this one's definitely worth the purchase. At Costco Monterey Park, I came across the wearable outdoor blanket that is perfect for staying warm during camping trips. I'm thinking also like sporting events or road trips. I found it going for $14.97, but considering it's very limited at Costco now, let me know if you guys think this is the deal we need to pass up on or we should buy it now. At one point, it was going for $25.99. Again, Costco Monterey Park. I do like that one part is waterproof, and then on the reverse side, it's like soft plush flannel, so definitely going to keep you warm. This one measures 54 by 72 inches, and I did spot 3 different color options. Costco's marking down a lot of these summer items, so I'm not too surprised to find the Barbecue Daddy Steam Cleaning Grill Brush at a clearance price. This one I found it with the manager's discount going for $17. Again, first time seeing this one marked down. At one point, it was going for $26.99. In case anyone's interested, this Costco Norwalk, by the way. Let me show you guys what's included. So you have 2 replaceable scrubbing heads, a built-in stainless steel scraper, and a rotating grip for extra leverage. It's very simple to use. Just heat up your grill, dip the head in water, and then you can pretty much start scrubbing away. Halloween decor, anyone? Costco has the Halloween decorative pillows on sale right now until August 30th. These have $3 off, and they have a couple of different ones to choose from, and they're really cute. These went from $10 down to $6.99. Let me show you guys here. So this is the cat one. It's got some cute little bats on there. They also have the house one with the spider web. I would call this, I guess, the haunted house. Really cute. And then they also have the pumpkins. I'm seeing a lot of people grabbing these right now, considering the price has dropped. So these little pumpkins here went from $10 again down to $6.99. I'm noticing that many Costco's continue to carry these Adidas unisex comfort slides. I continue to find them in both color options. They have them in black and navy blue. I found them going for $12.97, and at one point these were going for $17. What do you guys think about the price on these comfort slides? Is this a good deal, or is it still too expensive? You guys are not going to believe the price I found on these Adidas Men's Cloud Foam Flex sneaker. I found these going for $9.97. Costco Los Feliz. At one point, these were going for $36.99. And guys, I definitely feel like this is the lowest price I will find. So if you happen to spot them at this price in your area, make sure to grab them because I really don't think the price will continue to drop on these. This is already such a great deal. I did spot limited sizing though in this location. I only found size 13 left. At one point, Costco had both color options, navy blue and black. In this location, I only found them in navy blue. Now, I do think the seamless sports bras, when it comes to the original price of $15 at Costco, is a pretty decent deal. I have seen these go on sale pretty often, and I want to say the price comes down to about $12 or so. So $9.97, of course, is even better, but I don't think this is necessarily one of the best prices I've seen on them. But again, as the price comes down, sizing becomes very limited. This is Costco Monterey Park, by the way, and in this location, I found very few medium-sized left and mostly large. Costco now tends to have a limited stock on these cotton stretch camisoles, and I've heard pretty good reviews for these camisoles, by the way. They come as a 4-pack, and the original price is of $15.99. This location, Costco Norwalk, I found them going for $9.97. So, I definitely feel like it's a good time to grab them before they officially leave Costco. The straps are adjustable on the camisoles. They are super soft, ideal for layering. In terms of sizing, at least at this location, I found mostly size large and extra large left. Now, ladies, help me rate this clearance deal, 10 being the best. This is a 3-pack of the Very Black CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. I found it going for $10. Monterey Park, by the way. At one point, it was going for $18.99, so definitely the lowest price I've seen by far. I used to use this mascara years ago, and I honestly don't even remember why I stopped using it. I'm definitely going to be grabbing a pack. My husband just shared with me that he grabbed a sample of the Snoopsicles and he really liked them. I found the 24-pack going for $11.97. First time seeing these marked down, by the way. This Costco Alhambra. At one point, these were going for $14.99. I'm tempted to grab a box. What do you guys think? Is this something we should grab now, or should we wait for the price to drop? Hopefully that happens, of course. One bar is around 60 calories, so it's a pretty calorie-friendly treat. Okay, now this one got my attention. It's the Twist Pop Triple Berry. This is also Costco Alhambra. $9.49 would be the original price. I found this one going for $6.97. This one's a 15 count, by the way, and it looks pretty tasty. Let's see here. The nutrition facts for just one pop, it's 70 calories. And this one has around 12 grams of sugar per serving. I always say Costco is the way to go when you're purchasing like little snack packs. And this box right here contains 50 pouches of the Annie's Organic fruit snack variety. I found this whole box going for $4.97, guys. $5. That's almost unheard of nowadays. This is Costco Monterey Park for anyone that's interested. Lowest price I've seen so far. At one point, it was going for $14.99. So imagine, it's a huge markdown. One pouch is only 60 calories and it has 10 grams of sugar. I've been keeping my eye on this bolognese pasta protein bowls because some Costco have marked these down to $9.97. Costco Monterey Park, though, I found an even better price. I found them going for $7. And keep in mind, you get 6 bowls per box. The original price is actually of $14.99, and these are just very convenient to have. You can heat them up in the microwave. And it says here one bowl is around 240 calories, 870 when it comes to its sodium, proteins at 16 grams, 43 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of dietary fiber since it has pasta made from peas, I imagine. Let me know if anyone tried these. Let me know if you recommend it. Now, in case you haven't heard about the Ninja Blend Boss, this is a pretty amazing blender from what I've seen in terms of the reviews. At one point, it was going for $120. Costco has it on sale right now, guys. $30 off until September 20th. The price came down to $90. And Costco's version comes with 2 tumblers of 26 ounces. And it also comes with the base, of course. It also includes 2 straws and a recipe guide. I feel like this one's definitely worth grabbing right now since it is on sale. For some reason, I feel like we're in need of another glass food storage set, and I've been eyeing this one that comes in a total of 12 pieces. It went on sale with $8 off until September 1st. This one went from $33 down to $24.99, and each container comes with a lid, which is really nice, and I love how much variety you're getting in here. So many different sizes, so you just get a rough idea here. You get one small container, 17 ounces. You get 2 that are a little bigger, 29 ounces, 2 medium ones of 46 ounces, 1 large container. Again, 12 pieces in total. So these are perfect for meal prepping and then also for storing your leftovers. If anyone's going to a housewarming party, check out this Century glassware set. A total of 16 pieces. It's on sale right now at Costco until September 3rd. This one went from $19 down to $14.99. And I love that you have two different sizes here. You can see one of them is of 11 ounces. The other one's of 17.5 ounces. It is such a nice set for the price.